part 2 of our science fair project.
For testing, we decided to use a light source and 2 polarized lenses to test how the gears distribute stress. The first polarizing lens, as the name implies, polarizes the light. This means that only light moving in a single plane in vibration is allowed through, while normally light, its waves can vibrate in any number of different directions. This standardizes the light and allows us to get useful data. After that, it passes through the specimen, or the plastic under stress. When this happens, the plastic acts similar to a prism in that it refracts the light. The second polarized lens then allows us to view this light and understand it, and show it as stress. As you can see here, it gives off a rainbow of different colors. We then calculated the area that we deemed high stress, or second order blue, or higher stress. The insect gears had a very large area compared to the man-made teeth because of the way that they distributed the stress. Jack will now explain that.
So, as Ben introduced, the insect gears have a very large area of blue, as you can see here and here. In contrast, the triangle teeth gears only have a very small area of blue, right along the edge. Now, eventually, this resulted in shearing off of the tips of the teeth. In contrast, the insect gears have a much higher area of high stress. You can see here and also up here, which it really shows how they distribute the stress. And despite having much more weight on them, they did not break. Here was our testing setup. Here we have the 2 gears, the whole thing clamped to a table, and a bar connected to the gear on the left. The gear on the left was free rotating, so we could apply pressure to it. Now, some applications of this technology would be really anything that has to move in one direction. For example, plastic-geared servos. And I found personally that often they only really need to turn in one direction. So applying a gear tooth shape like this could really make these servos much more durable and strong.
Thank you for watching part 2 of our science fair presentation.
For part 3 on what the heck are polarized lenses, see the link below. See you next time on Defy Robotics.